Okay, today is April 30th, 2012, the last day of April. Christina is 9 months and 3 weeks. There you go. And our little girl is learning to stand without holding. Let's see if she'll do it. There she goes. She's learning to stand up without even holding the rail. Wow, big girl. Oh, big girl. Oh. Totally standing by herself. Oh, there she leaned. My big girl is growing up so fast. You need a Kleenex? You need a Kleenex? Wow, you're going to stand up without holding on? Oh, big girl. Big girl. Hello, baby. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Are you learning to stand up? Yeah? Well, let's try handing you that again. Okay, here we go. See if we can get you to stand on your own again. Okay. Ready? Come over here. Come here. Gotta get your feet settled good. Okay, there you go, there you go, there. Okay, you done? At least I got it captured on film. You guys saw it. She did stand on her own. Pretty soon she'll be walking. Won't you? I got a feeling you're going to go from walking to running. Yeah. And you're not going to stop. You're not going to stop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's Mommy's shoes. Oh, there it is. There it is. Is that what you want? There you go. Oh, there you go. All right, you play. I'm proud of you. My big girl. Who's my big girl? Christina. Who's my big girl? Say bye-bye. All right. Say bye-bye. Okay, that will work. That counts. Bye-bye. Wow, you're gonna be walking soon. Oh, my big girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, there she goes. There she goes, standing. Good girl. You're such a big girl, standing on your own. Such a big girl. Wow. There she goes. I'm so proud of you, my big girl. There she goes, there she goes. Totally standing on her own. Whoa, oh, oh. 9 months, 3 weeks. Whoa! All right, say bye-bye. Christina, Christina. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, my big girl. Wow. Wow, standing up. Are you gonna jump now? Are you gonna jump up and down? Oh. I know you want to talk so bad. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.